Life is never a straight road. Sometimes with the wind, sometimes against the current. We always think that as long as we work hard enough, we can keep moving forward. But reality tells us life won't always be smooth sailing. Mountains have their highs and lows. Rivers have their twists and turns. The Tao Te Ching says, reversal is the movement of the Tao. This means that everything moves forward amidst ups and downs. No one can only walk uphill. A triumph is not failure, but rather life accumulating strength. But remember, those who persevere will be favored, not by fate, but by time. We often fear setbacks, fear having our plans disrupted, fear moving too slowly, and not seeing the future clearly. But Taoism tells us, water can reach far because it doesn't contend with the world. In good times, don't be arrogant. In bad times, don't collapse. Bamboo, in its first 4 years of growth, simply takes root in the soil, seeing no visible results. But in the 5th year, it can grow dozens of meters. Life is the same, in the days you can't see. Persistence is quietly paving the way for you. Taoism says, great talents mature late. It's not that they won't come, but that they are brewing. The wind that belongs to you will blow in your time. Many people think persistence is just gritting their teeth and stubbornly holding on. But true persistence is resilience. Lao Tzu said, the weak overcomes the strong. The harder a tree is, the easier it is to break. The more stubbornly the heart tries to hold on, the easier it is to collapse. The truly strong are like water that can bend. People who can't afford to lose, adapt, and let go. Persistence is not blindly rushing forward, but choosing not to stop after seeing the direction clearly. You can slow down, you can rest, you can even take a detour. But don't give up, because giving up is the end. Failure is just a process. Have you noticed some things that seem unfair at the time are, in retrospect, protecting you? A rejected opportunity may be a better future awaiting you. At that end may be fate reminding you to change direction. The Tao Te Ching says, misfortune is the foundation of fortune. Fortune is the harbinger of misfortune. Bad things may contain good fortune, and good things may contain risk. The key lies in how you walk, not how things change. The greatest fortune in life is not never falling, but having the will to get back up after falling. Fate never fails those who persevere. It just won't give you advance notice. When you feel you're moving too slowly, that your efforts are unrewarding, and that all your persistence seems to yield no results, leave your current anxiety to time. Seeds won't sprout immediately because you're impatient, and dawn won't arrive early because you stay up all night. But they will never be absent. Taoism says, the Tao follows nature. Everything has its own rhythm. It can't be rushed, nor can it be stolen. If you don't see change today, it doesn't mean it hasn't happened. If others don't see your persistence, it doesn't mean it's not growing. Time is the fairest thing. It never makes a sound, yet it silently leaves its answers. Life won't always be smooth sailing, but that's precisely why every act of perseverance is so precious. Please remember, when you grit your teeth and endure the days no one sees, life will one day gently turn back and embrace you, not because of luck, but because you deserve it. May you remain humble in good times, and unyielding in adversity. May you hold fast to your principles in hardship, and not retreat in confusion. May you gradually improve, without haste or impatience. making peace with yourself, and walking hand in hand with love. Because love won't always be smooth sailing, but those who persevere will surely be blessed.